Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 23rd of February, 2022, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. So we have an up day in the stock markets. It's a relief day. Metal markets breaking back, dollar down, foreign currencies mixed to higher against the dollar. Stable on the energies after a big gain day yesterday. Bonds and notes showing up again as we're getting closer and closer to the FOMC meeting where interest rate hikes are expected. Another up day in the grain market. Corn sort of leaning back on this. You're getting a little bit of a bounce in Bitcoin. Still, the goal could be the $35,000 level in that market. Now, how's the world responding today to President Biden's sanctions? Here's what I have to tell you. The president has surrounded himself with people that are not capable. It's that simple. His advisors are not doing the job. The world said, what the heck did the U.S. do? Where are those sanctions? They looked to the United States to be the power. No, we should not have thrown the kitchen sink at him, but nor should we have given him a little dusting on the hand and said, what you do is bad, but it's going to be okay. That is not my opinion, so don't blame me. Go read Reuters, go read Bloomberg, go read Fox, go read CNBC. You will see the reaction worldwide is that from reporters reporting on this and people that don't want to be named, they expected more of us, and so did I. So that's the first reaction. Now, we're also getting other things. It's interesting that Taiwan is now on a heightened state of alert, saying they're watching Ukraine. The world attention's there. It's off Taiwan. Maybe this is where China decides to make a move of types. China immediately countered that and said, no, it's not the same as Ukraine. Really? Really? I have a doubt about that. MBA mortgage applications, as you take a look, down 13%, 10.1, 15.6, every part of it. You combine the Ukrainian situation, basically rising interest rates at the same time, terrible weather, and that makes up what it was. Retail sales. Now, I want you to start paying attention to this. I've been waiting to see when the market stopped hitting 16% comparisons to last year to when they start slipping down. I think we've seen the peak. And I think now you're going to get into more or less running numbers that aren't that much over. I predict that you'll be surprised that probably by the summer you'll be holding on, trying to stay at 10% or more. It'll be interesting. API numbers coming out late today. And remember, we had President's Day, so that's basically what's going on. So now the question is, what's next? The analysts are fighting worldwide. They agree one thing, that Russia's endgame is not to just take parts of the two republics, the new countries that President Biden has anointed, and stop there. That is can't be with 190,000 troops where the man stops. He is unstoppable. He's going to keep going till he gets stopped. Whatever those stops are, the world that is, not the U.S. alone. The world did not give him reason yet to stop. These first sanctions, they're not enough. And I understand the world's saying, well, if we put them all on right now, he has no reason to stop. I would like to make this really clear to everybody. He's not going to stop. He's a bully. Bullies only stop when they get beaten up. You went to school. I went to school. Girls, same thing. You've run into bullies. Guys, we all ran into them growing up. Bullies don't go away because you reason with them. They go away because the nature of a bully is to get a bigger bully to stop them or to hit them so hard it isn't worth their effort and they turn their efforts elsewhere. That's the way you're going to stop Russia. Nothing else is going to do it. Look back at Crimea. He gloated over that. He still has it. This is just the beginning. So enjoy the pause. That's how I feel about this. There's no way it ends here. Now, Another truckers event is going to happen. The guys are on their way to Washington, D.C. Now, Washington, D.C. is prepared. The Pentagon's already called up 400 what they'll call security people. But you're going to see the states of Maryland, Virginia, they're going to call up their National Guards now, and they'll make certain that these truckers cannot block traffic and cause havoc. So the move is on. Why now? Because next week is President Biden's what? Inaugural speech. So at that speech, that is the time for disruption, and that is probably where they're all going to go at that point. I want to remind you, the way to keep up with these markets is our brand new mobile device, and it is something different. I use other companies, okay? I have them from, and I won't mention other firms. I like some, I don't like others. I like ours a lot. You will find, number one, they're easy to read. That's the first thing a guy like me has, all right? How easy are they? When they give these little numbers because they want to crowd everything on a screen, guess what? Hit the eyeball button on ours. It'll make it those little numbers for you so you can get more on a screen, but you want to be able to read it. My videos, they'll pop up here. So if you're a subscriber, you're going to get a push notification. You're going to get a text message and an email. Just click it. You'll be able to view it. Government reports. Our reports are in there, audio reports throughout the day. Just leave it on. They'll play live for you as they come on. They're there. And if you have it off, go back. You can listen to them. Driving your car, just use the voice control, the way you do Alexa or Home Google. Talk to it. Tell it to play your quotes. It's going to play your quotes. Your eyes are on the road. And it'll keep looping until you tell it to stop. Pretty simple, right? What about stocks and ETFs? They've been added. What about option chains? They've been added. So now we've got the full package. How would you like to try it? How'd you like it for free? I want to give it to you. Just go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Look at the free offers. Choose from the other things you want as well. Give it a try. See what this offers you. You can get our QT News, Dow Jones Newswires. There's a bunch of events in there that you can get to keep up with the markets. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day, and I will talk to you all this afternoon in our market wrap-ups.